going on, everybody? Pedro here with another video, and I just want to welcome you to my channel and thank you so much for supporting my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment below, and yeah, hit that like button too while you're at it. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Pedro, and I trade Forex. So with that being said, guys, I want to show you my outlook on gold right now. As you can see, I've got a beautiful setup that I want to show you guys on the daily chart. So with that being said, let's get started with this video. All right, guys, so as you can see, guys, I've got this daily chart going on with our gold right now. You could see two things. This is kind of what I'm looking at, and I want to show you quick and straight to the point. So on the daily, we could clearly see that price has been trending downwards, right? Obviously, we are looking for usually a downwards, sell position because we are in a downwards trend. Now, with that being said, we can see that price has broken previous support that obviously is a key level of resistance. Not only that, price is actually testing it right now as a support over here, but on the daily, we are also seeing a nice cross between the moving averages. We've got the 50 moving average as well as the 20 moving average, right? Which is the blue one over here. So this, guys, is very powerful. I want you guys to know that price action is the most important thing. But when we see these extra little confirmations, that just makes everything so much more clear. So one of the things that I'm looking at here with gold right now, aside from price just basically it's been pulling back, we can also see on the larger scale of things, if we zoom out, right, we're able to see that price is still trending bullish, right? We've got those, higher highs and higher lows, right? So, and the bigger scam of, like, the bigger grand scheme of things, right? Prices obviously going up. Not only that, guys, on the daily, I did see this nice double bottom formation right here. So we've got this nice double bottom formation, which indicates that price is changing its sentiment, right? Price is most likely going to break up to the upside, but also we have that nice cross in the moving averages, which is a very powerful indication and confirmation that price is most likely going to continue to the upside. So if we take a look, guys, and we kind of go down to the 4 hour, this is the 4 hour, and you can see obviously I've got the two double bottom formations. This was also, price was going between this channel over here, and price finally broke out, and it's doing this retest right now. Not only that, we can see that price is perfectly, and I mean perfectly, rejecting this 50 moving average right now, which is that red line. So most likely right now, prices, as long as it holds there, we are definitely looking for longs. I do want to show you my trade that I'm in right now. So like I said, I did take a long on gold right now, and right now it is 9:46 p.m. on Sunday evening, and we're going to keep it on the 4 hour here. So I got in kind of around here. Sorry, my camera's, and I'm targeting right now 1800, and my stop loss is at 1772. So it's nice and tight. There's a good potential if price does go in my favor. There's a good potential that we'll be looking at a really nice trade, guys. We'll be looking at roughly about 240 pips, and we would be risking about 50 pips. So this is a really good trade setup, guys. Obviously nothing's, there's a risk with everything. And one thing I can recommend you guys is always to know your risk, right? You want to make sure you know what your risk is before you even get involved, right? So obviously I'm aware that I'm going to be losing 50 pips if price does not go in my favor. With that being said, though, if price does go in my favor, I have a really good chance of profiting anywhere from 240 pips, right? So I mean, if you're doing a full lot, guys, that could be up to $2,200 profit, which is huge. That's an amazing, an amazing trade setup to take. So I will definitely keep you guys posted. Like I said, right now it's 9:47 p.m. And I will keep you guys posted tomorrow in the morning. Thanks so much. Bye for now.